Today I'm making an apple tart for my cooking contest. I have 3 thinly sliced apples. I have flour, I have sugar, I have spices, and I have butter. It'll start by cubing the butter. See, Mama? I'm great at doing I'm cubing the butter that's on the fruit processor. So for this crust. Now you don't add the flour to the food processor. You'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar for the crust. You don't make our crust by starting the food processor. Now you don't make the filling. You don't add the apples to a bowl. You don't add our sugar. Now you don't add our molasses. Now you don't add our seasoning in our cornstarch. Now we don't add our water. Now we don't mix it well. Just stir. Now we don't crack our egg. It'll preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Now it'll roll our dough. Now it'll brush the crust with egg. Arrange our apples in a circle. I'm gonna put the last 2 on. This is my apple tart. Ready to roll out. This is my apple tart ready for judging.